Git and GitHub are popular platforms among developers for managing project versions and working with other team members. What exactly is a version control system? A version control system, as previously discussed, allows users to maintain track of all modifications made to the document. It allows you to restore a previous version of the document if you make a mistake, and it also makes collaborating with others easier. What is Git? Git is a distributed version control system, which implies that every user in the world can have a copy of your project on their computer. They may share their changes by syncing their version of the code to the remote server whenever they make a modification. Git's distributed nature is the primary reason it has become one of the most widely used version control systems. Version control is commonly used in coding, but it may also be used to version control photos, documents, and other file types. Git may be used without a web interface by using a command line interface, however. The most popular web-hosted service for Git repositories is GitHub. Before we begin, there are a few terminologies you should be familiar with. SH protocol. This is a secure technique of remote login from one machine to another. Repository. It contains your project folder, which is set up for version control. Fork. It is a replica of your repository, and forking is the process of duplicating a project's repository. Pull request. If someone wants to alter or add something to your code, they will submit a pull request before it is reviewed and approved. Working directory. A directory on your computer that contains files and subdirectories linked with Git repositories. Basic Git commands. Init. The command git init is used to create a new repository either locally or by cloning an existing repository. Add. The command git add is used to move changes from the working directory to the staging area. Status. We use the command git status to see the current state of your working directory as well as a staging snapshot of the changes. Commit. The command git commit is used to commit your staged modifications to the project. Reset. The command git reset is used to undo modifications made to a file in the working directory. Log. The command git log is used to review prior modifications to a project. Branch. The command git branch is used to establish an isolated environment within your repository to make changes. Checkout. The command git checkout is used to inspect and modify existing branches. Merge. The command git merge is used to combine distinct branches established during the process and bring everything back together. To effectively use Git and begin cooperating with other projects all across the world, you must first master the key Git commands. You will learn how to set up your local environment and get started on a project in the upcoming lectures.